Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning animal names in isiZulu. These are farm animals and common animals you may see around you. Get ready to listen, repeat and have fun. Let's begin. The first animal is a horse. In isiZulu, a horse is called ihashi. Ihashi. Next is sheep. In isiZulu, a sheep is called imvu. Imvu. Next animal is a rabbit. In isiZulu, a rabbit is called unogwaja. Unogwaja. Next is a pig. Pig in isiZulu is ingulube. Ingulube. Next animal is a chicken. In isiZulu, a chicken is called inkukhu. Inkukhu. Next is a bird. A bird in isiZulu is inyoni. Inyoni. Next is a monkey. In isiZulu, a monkey is called inkawu. Inkawu. The last animal that we're gonna do today is a fish. In isiZulu, fish can be called in two names. Ufishi. Ufishi. Or you can call it inhlanzi. Inhlanzi. Now let's review all our animals together. Ihashi, imvu, unogwaja, ingulube, inkukhu, inyoni, inkawu, ufishi, inhlanzi. You did such a great job today. Keep practicing those animal names at home. Try using them in a sentence and see if you can remember them without looking. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend who is learning isiZulu. See you in the next lesson. Nisale kahle. Ngiyabonga.